everyone! Welcome back to Egads English Conversation. Today, we're going to learn how to order food in English. Simple, useful, and perfect for daily life. Let's practice together. Don't just watch, repeat, and speak with me. Hi, I'd like to order something to eat.
Sure, here is the menu.
I'll have the chicken fried rice and a glass of iced tea.
Would you like it spicy?
Just a little spicy, please.
Okay, your order will be ready in 10 minutes.
Thank you. Let's break it down. I'd like to order. This is a polite way to say you want something. I'll have. A common phrase when you choose from a menu. Would you like it spicy? A polite question. Just a little spicy. Useful when you don't want it too hot. Let's learn some words for flavor. Spicy, sweet, salty, sour, bitter. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Speak out loud. Don't be shy. I'd like to order something to eat. I'll have the chicken fried rice. A glass of iced tea, please. Would you like it spicy? Just a little spicy, please. Your order will be ready in 10 minutes. Thank you. Let's test your memory. What is the polite way to say you want to order? A. I want food. B. I'd like to order something. How do you say jangan terlalu pedas in English? A. Too much spicy. B. Not too spicy, please. Great job! Now you can order food in English with confidence. Want to practice more? Download the free PDF worksheet in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment below. What is your favorite food to order in English? See you in the next lesson.